Welcome back to Neffy Crafts and Scraps. Today I am sharing a lovely unboxing of my March Emma's Paperie supplies. I actually went ahead and ordered a lot of extra stuff, so this is a nice loaded unboxing today. I ordered a bunch of the older collections that were very springy and pretty from the shop. So let's take a look, guys. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Let's dig in. Starting off by sharing the biggest collection that I grabbed and the most variety I got. So this is the Flower Market by Cartabella. This is such a beautiful kind of rustic feel to the collection. I love all the mints and flowers and garden phrases. So let me show you here a little bit more of a close-up. I got the chipboard phrases, which come in a 6x12 size, and then I grabbed the chipboard accents. Again, the same size. They're slightly different. This one has a lot of pictures. This one has a lot of words and stuff. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. It's just more and more beautiful the more I look at it. I also got the tags here. These are label tags and ephemera. So pretty. I also got the frames and tags. Okay, so these are the ephemera and these are the frames and the tags. So pretty. And then I also got the decorative brads. I really loved the shiny colors here, the gems, and these are just fun. I also picked up the 12x12 element sticker sheet. These are just plain cardstock stickers, but as you can see, the whole page is loaded with them, which is so lovely. There's a total of, oh goodness, it doesn't tell me how many pieces. There's got to be at least 50 pieces on here. Here are some of the papers. So this one, again from Flower Market. These are watercolored, beautiful flowers, so pretty. I love this background here. So this other one actually was called Flower Market Floral. Okay, Flower Market Floral. This one's called 2x2 squares. As you can see, they're just a bunch of squares here. So pretty. I love the mix of watercolors and homey type garden feel to it. Another favorite thing about these Cartabella papers for me is the textured paper. It's a very heavy cardstock and it is textured, and it's just such a pretty feel, you know, on your fingers, and I love it. Here's another one. So pretty. I love these florals. And look at this beautiful pink stripe. This one's called Garden Floral. I love this stripe. And then I got the cut apart cards here. So there's 4x6 and 3x4. Also, I gotta note these pretty little embroidery hoops are so beautiful. More checkers here. Oh, this is like a cherry red color. So pretty. This one's called Multi-Journaling Cards, in case you were wondering. And a sheet full of the embroidery hoops. So pretty. This one is called Embroidery Hoops. So pretty basic paper names. But this is, again, the Flower Market collection by Cartabella. It's still available on the shop. And there's still a few extra pieces on there. I believe there's also stamps that can go with your set of supplies. So yeah, guys, this is a lovely one, and I can't wait to make something with this. Next batch of things I will be sharing is the Pink Fresh bits and pieces that I picked up. So I have 2 ephemera packs. This one is from the BU collection. This one has a lot of copper foiling and, you know, light greens and mints and some navy blues. Very pretty. I haven't had a chance to play with any of this collection, so I really wanted to, you know, be able to play with it. This one is called Everyday Musings, and this has to be one of the most recent, I could be wrong, collections, but again, it kind of went with this one. I love just the florals and the twigs and the plants, you know, all the pretty details and the colors. And I also grabbed the 12 by 12 papers for this collection, or a mix, no, just the Everyday Musings. This one is called Good Times, and again, it's just a floral element type of paper and with like a pretty bluish black background. And then this very fun background here. It's very neutral. I picked this one up. This one's called Sweet Escape, and I really just liked kind of like the mixed media look to this page. It's like a purplish pink here and like purplish splatters all around. This fun bold green and blue pattern in the back. I like it. And then this very, very pretty paper. It's called Beautiful is the name of the paper, and I just love kind of like the symmetrical elements that are included in here. And a beautiful baby bluish type of background. So this is what I picked up from Pink Fresh Studio, and I still got to figure out what I want to make. I'm thinking, considering the supplies that I got, maybe some cards, maybe layer, you know, a little bit over these twigs, something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but I'm definitely going to be using some of this month. So I haven't finished digging through the shop and picking out some Dear Lizzy goodies. So I'm starting off with the chipboards here. These chipboards are called Groovy, and here they are. They are very groovy. They're mainly just like big bold titles and stuff, which I like. I like that. And then there's a few numbers in the back. So pretty. It's also got gold foiling. I love the soft colors. I love that it says unicorns. I'm kind of like in an obsession right now with unicorns. Not for myself, but like for my daughters. So I'm excited to be able to use this, this awesome sticker right here. And I did grab some papers from the Stay Colorful collection. They're all florals, so I grabbed two of the same here. This one is called Groovy. And I grabbed two because I know that I definitely want to fussy cut one of them. And then, I don't know, just to have an extra one, I guess. That's how I do things sometimes. This is the background to this. Very pretty, kind of like a checker stripe thing. The bottom has a bunch of numbers, which I like. And then this paper here is called Funkadelic. And I actually really liked the vines here. These could be fussy cut. That was my initial idea when I first saw this paper. Kind of digging that. And there's more florals in the background, which I didn't even notice when I ordered it, but I see them now. These can also be fussy cut. So yes, florals galore, friends. I can't get over these beautiful Dear Lizzy papers. Probably gonna pick up some more next month. Bunch of randomness from the Echo Park brand. It's a bunch of different collections here, so let's get started. First off, I picked up this 6x6 designer stencil. This is from the Teen Spirit collection, but really I just liked it because of the stars and the fact that there's also little circles included. Like once you add your texture paste, it's gonna go through the little circles, and I just love that detail, so I really, really like it. I went ahead and ordered, so like I said, a few different collections. So I actually have, let's see, Easter and summer. So let me show you, I guess I'll show you the summer ones first. This paper is from the Best Summer Ever collection, and I loved it because of the florals. So pretty, and the beautiful pink stripes. This actually reminds me a lot of the other piece of paper. I kind of tend to repeat my patterns. And then this one also is a summer ephemera pack, but this one is from the I Love Summer, which is the other papers that I got here. So let me show you. Let me give you a close-up of the ephemera pack first. You can see there's all kinds of labels and tags and a few frames, a few little banner things here. So cute. Again, that's the I Love Summer by Echo Park. Here is one of the sheets. It's got a bunch of different summer icons. Ooh, it's called Hello Summer. Paper. It's really fun. When you look at it, you can definitely see the circles, kind of like in a ripple. It's a very fun illusion. We also have this paper here from the I Love Summer collection. More fun florals. I love the bright pops of pink, blue, and yellow. And a very fun kind of like picnic table type pattern here. This one's called Summer Floral. So, you know, based on these florals. And we have another icon one. There's like a coconut, drink, a van, sun, some palm trees, lots of fun stuff. And I actually picked this one out for the background page here. It's called Beach Day, and I just love the feel of clouds for all my summer layouts. I did pick up two sticker sheets for summer. This is by the Best Summer Ever collection, and this is for the I Love Summer. They're very similar. I think they can definitely be mixed matched because the blues can go with the pinks, etc. And I am getting a little bit ahead of myself, but honestly, we go to the beach all the time, so it's never too late to, I don't know, scrap some summer layouts. Those are always my fave. And finally, for Echo Park, I did get the Hello Easter papers here. So I actually only grabbed the cut apart sheets. So let me show you. So this is the Hello Easter called 3x4 journaling cards. It's such a beautiful minty kind of turquoise in the back. And we've got all these fun elements. So pretty. These are 4x6 cards, so this paper is called 4x6 journaling cards. It's got a very fun kind of florally, viney background to it, and the front, again, some more fun Easter cards. And finally, the last of my Echo Park papers is this one, also from Hello Easter. These are called, let me guess, the 4x4 journaling cards. The background is a really fun pattern here. These are actually a bunch of bunnies. I don't know if you can see that. They're a bunch of bunnies facing all kinds of ways. So, you know, I might not use every single one of these cards, but at least each one gives me an option for background colors. And even if I just wanted to use like a title from the card, I can still turn the papers around and have my base, you know what I mean, to like layer or add different tones of color to my page. And these are just so beautiful. I love the mix of colors. They're so soft and pretty and so Eastery. So this was the mix for Echo Park. It's a little bit of everything, but it's fun. I like it. I'm happy with what I chose. Bit of randomness that I grabbed. I picked up some Prima flowers. I really felt like these Prima flowers could go with the Easter papers or even the Pink Fresh papers. So I kind of picked out a mix of these Prima flowers that had sort of the mix of the colors that I picked out this month, which was blues, light pinks, and some kind of like minty blues and greens. And as far as the other randomness, I picked up another pink paisley paper for the Lucky Us collection, which is the Valentine's Day collection. That's the one that is newest on the shop. So I kind of just picked it out because I liked this. I don't know, like I really feel like I didn't get enough Valentine's Day crafting. But I actually picked this up because years ago, when I first started dating, so my first Valentine's Day with my now husband, I actually made him a set of cards that were like, I don't know how many cards come in a deck, but that amount of reasons why I loved him, and I figured I could remake it by fussy cutting these and, you know, adding my reasons to the back of why I love him so much. So this might just stay in my stash for a while. I'll see what I can do with it, but I really wanted to pick that up. Then finally I have this Kaiser Craft specialty paper. It's from the Blessed collection, and the paper is called Bouquet. And it's a beautiful, just simple gold foiled bouquet of flowers with a sweet little thankful for many blessings saying here. You can watercolor this. You can fussy cut this. You can layer on top of it. There's so much that I could do with this paper. So I definitely think that I'm going to be making something on this page. Not quite sure what just yet. I do have a lot of Kaiser Craft supplies in my stash, so I might bring that out. I might use, you know, some of the stuff that I have, but I had to grab this one because it is far too beautiful. The flowers are far too beautiful for me to not keep in my stash, at least. This is it for what is my March haul. I feel like I kind of zoomed right through it this time around. There's a lot here, obviously, so I can't wait to dig in. And if you guys have any questions about any of these supplies, if you guys would like to see me make something specific with some of these supplies, I'm all ears. I love to take your ideas to then turn it around and share it with you on this channel here. So if you guys have any ideas, if you have any questions, hit me up. I am here. I am all ears, guys, and I am excited to get crafty with all this goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick kind of unboxing of my March Emma's Paperie supplies. You can purchase everything you see here at emmaspaperie.com. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you all in my next video.